reach the borders, you can see India's flag from here, but Pakistan built a bigger and larger flagpole. I mean, it's like a competition between them. We came specifically to the borders between Pakistan and India, about a 10-minute drive from Lahore, and there's the biggest festival, which is the Gate Closing Festival. It's famous. Now we'll go inside. My God, the emotions, the people who came here are a lot, and these huge flags are majestic.
This is India and Pakistan here, and we are in the Pakistan side. But we need a flag, right? Yeah.
Because we're on the Pakistani side, they make this ceremony every day. Every day. We must support them. It will be the strangest ceremony you'll ever see.
Huh? This gate takes you to India, or from there brings you to Pakistan.
Why do they do this, you may ask? It's a daily ceremony, and they do it not in day. Why? Because when they take down the flag, they do it the British way. In India and Pakistan, the same thing. Every day they raise and take down the flag at the beginning and end of the day. And whenever they do that, people come to see the ceremony. Like a festival, a serious festival. Two countries, separated by this gate only. Everyone's proud of their country. There were families living together. Suddenly they were separated. We sat here and now the show will start. They'll take down the flag and open the gates, and the show starts. Do you hear the songs? These are Pakistani songs. You feel that everyone defends their country, stands out with patriotism. After a 2-hour show, at the sunset, they take down both flags.
You come every day?
Yes.
Every day?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
How are you? I'm fine.
How was the ceremony? Good?
Good.
You come here every day?
Yes.
How are you?
Fine. Thank you. Thank you.
You enjoy here?
It's a tourism area, you see?
Like even more better than like a football match, right?
Pakistan Zindabad.
I'm originally from Pakistan.
Wow.
Look, you can't even differentiate. You fully understand me? I understand and can write in everything, no problem. I can write anything in Arabic. What a coincidence. Nice to meet people like this. Thank you so much. How are you? Hope you're fine. Hello and welcome. Good evening. How'd you find the atmosphere here? It's fascinating. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. They all speak Arabic? Hello, good evening to you.
What just happened, guys? I cannot believe.
I really can't believe what just happened. It means long live. Look at these people's patriotism.
عايشين هنا.
Long live Pakistan.